Hey, thanks for joining me on Pagosa Adventures. I'm Brandon, and today we're going to be looking at some really cool gadgets from a company called, well, wait for it, coolgadgets.com. Now then, as a YouTuber, I get emails every day from companies all over the world asking me to review products to present to you in hopes that you will buy them. Well, I say no to about 95% of them because they're either just junk or it's something that we would never use in our RVs. But occasionally, something comes down the pike, then I say, yeah, we will take a look at that. And so when Cool Gadgets reached out, they basically said, take a look at our website and pick out 5 products that you think would be fitting for your audience. Now then, the coolgadgets.com website is, well, it's pretty cool. And they've got products for lifestyle, for home, for fitness, and for travel. So of course, I jumped right over the travel section to pick out 5 different items. Now then, one thing I also like about coolgadgets.com is they are a 1% for the planet company, and so they've got some really cool sustainable products as well. It's not just a bunch of plastic stuff that they're throwing out, even though I looked in here and some of it is plastic. But anyway, they are at least making an effort to make sure that we have a really clean world in order to RV and enjoy our travels in. Now then, so we're going to open up this box, take a look, and see exactly what they sent me. Now they did have a couple of requests, and let me fulfill my what I told them I would do. So they want that little sign right there. They want me to open the box this way so you can see coolgadgets.com right there. Now then, let's take a look inside the box and see what we got. Okay, here are the 5 cool gadgets that they sent me. And so let's open it up and take a look. Kind of feels like Christmas, right? Okay, let's start with this one right here. Now this one is actually the one that really sold me on me wanting to do this video and them sending me this stuff, right? This is a 4-in-1 fast charge data cable. Let me open it up and I'll show you what it is. Okay, this item is actually the reason that I actually said yes to this video in the first place, because I thought this was fantastic. I don't know why I've never seen this before. Now we have iPhones, and so if you have an iPhone, you know you have to charge with a lightning port. That's right, Apple has not gone to USB-C for their iPhones. So if you're in the Apple ecosystem and you have an iPad, guess what? USB-C charging, and so this is one cable instead of the 2 that I normally have to carry. One to charge my iPhone, one to charge my iPad. Revolutionary. Where else this is great? USB-C-A right here. Well, in our leisure travel van in the Mercedes Sprinter, up front in the cab, they only have USB-C connections. However, back in the house of the leisure travel van, they only have USB-A connections. So this one cord is going to cut out basically another cord in my life, which is fantastic. Okay, gadget number 2. What do we got here? This is the portable car tire inflator with backup power bank. You kidding me? 2-in-1 again? So let's open this up and let's take a look. Okay, here it is. Now, this is a pretty cool gadget, if I must say. So this is the inflation part. This is like an additional battery. Maybe it's a flashlight here. I don't know. We'll have to put it together. But anyway, it's got all kinds of settings. It's got like a bike tire setting. It's got a basketball setting. Will this air up a car? I don't know. Maybe a very small tire. Definitely not an RV. I don't think so. Don't think this is going to do that. But how we're going to use this is I will definitely be airing up my bike tires with it. I think that's an easy thing to do. So I will check to make sure that it's got the air pressure to do it. I'm sure it does. So anyway, but here's what's great. Here is your hose. It stores right there, and then you just plug it in there like that, screw it in, and then you've got all of your displays here. This is a fantastic gadget. I want to be honest with you. I am very happy with the quality of this. Now it is plastic, but it has some heft. It's the navy blue color. There are other colors you can choose, but so far, and it comes with a charging cable, a needle for your basketball, your football, and some cap of some sort. So I don't know where that goes. Anyway, so this is the portable charger, portable tire inflator, flashlight, basically 3-in-1. Okay, on to gadget number 3. This is something that I think is always necessary for travels, and this is an additional charger for your phone. Now this is a magnetic wireless charger. And all of these, again, these products from Cool Gadget, all of them are really well packaged, you know. So that says a lot that they're not cheaping out on the packaging. Probably means they're not cheaping out on the actual products themselves. So there that is. It comes with this. I don't know if you need that or not. Well, let's try this on my phone real quick. Okay, now keep in mind, in order for this to work, you have to have the kind of phone that has the magnetic and the wireless charging capability, right? And so this is my iPhone 14 Pro, and if you haven't started carrying a wallet on the back of your iPhone yet, it's life-changing, by the way. So peel that off. Let's grab this and let's see if it works. How about that? All right, nice and sleek, and that works great. Man, Cool Gadgets. I'm a fan. All right, we're getting down to the nitty gritty. Now, this right here is something that I think any campsite could use, any RV could use, and this is a folding camping light, Type-C charging. It's got a 10,400 milliamp battery, power bank function. So now I've got 3 ways to charge my phone just out of one Cool Gadgets order. It's impact resistance and IPX5 waterproof, so leaving out in the rain might still work. So let's take a look at it. Okay, I mean, they do go the extra mile. I mean, this is kind of a fake suede little bag here for it, and then you open it up, and then look at that. Isn't that interesting? And you hang it. You can hang it like that, or you can set it down. You can put these back up like that. Probably use it to help change your flat. There's a flashlight right here too. My oh my. I think this is now 4 lights that I have in one little order. There are flashlights at both ends of this tire pressure thing. Now there is a flashlight here and then a 4-way light right here. I'm pretty impressed. Okay, let's turn it on. Is it charged? I don't think it's charged. Okay, Cool Gadget, you've just gone too far this time. Now, the charging cable they send with this comes with a Lightning iPhone charger attachment to a USB. They are thinking of everything. Go to coolgadget.com right now because these are awesome. Okay, I got it charged up, and right here you literally have a place to charge it and then a place to charge your phone. Man, our phones are going to be charged the entire time on every trip we take, which is not usually the case. Anyway, so here we go. Let's turn it on. Oh, that's the flashlight. And then, there we go. So let's open that up. Now it says it's eye-pleasing on the website. So you just hang it up like that. Can you see that? Yeah, I bet that would be. It's a very warm light. And so definitely think that would be very eye-pleasing during your camping trip. So you could just hang that over your picnic table, or you could maybe even, I don't know, oh, look at this. It's got like a screw in here that you could put it on a tripod probably. And then you could have it like this. You could use it as a wand. Yeah, I'm gonna use it. I love it. Great idea. Okay, so here is the flashlight. Now then, it comes with it's a flashlight here. It's also a side light here. It has magnets here that you could attach to the side of your car or the side of anything metal for a down light. And guess what? This is also a phone charger. So it's got 2 ports there, one to charge and one to plug in and charge your phone. So out of this one order with coolgadgets.com with 5 totally different things, I have, I don't know, like 5 or 6, 7, 8 different light sources. I've got 4 ways to charge the phone. 5 ways to charge the phone. I mean, it's pretty amazing, these gadgets. And all of the quality, I'm very, very impressed with. Now then, I will say this, that let's turn this on. So if I turn it on, let's turn on the flashlight first. Hold it down, and there is the flashlight. And right here, I did this a second ago. I'm telling you, I feel the heat from this LED light. That is how bright it is. I mean, it is daylight in here, and I definitely see this light lighting up that wall. This is going to be an amazing camp light. You can dim it, and then you can dim it a third time, and then if you want this side light to come on, double tap and it goes to this side light right here. And again, you do have these magnets here. This is, oh, look at that, a little red. I mean, that's great, especially if you're wanting to be seen not by animals. They can't see red light, so that's positive. SOS, come on now. Come on, coolgadgets.com. All right, this is a great flashlight. This is going straight in our whichever RV we happen to be in, because this has so many different uses. So overall, coolgadgets.com, I'm glad I answered your email, because these are actually very, very awesome products. So be sure to head over to coolgadgets.com. They did not give me a discount code. If they find one, I will put it in the link down below. But overall, I can say the quality of these products, these gadgets, are good. So anyway, okay, if this is your first time on the channel, hit that subscribe button, the like button, and give me the old thumbs up. Really appreciate all of those interactions, and we will see you next time.